Okay, so What the Foundation by Jones Road. So I finally got it. Talk about one of the most, I feel absolutely lied to when it comes to this product, because the reviews, a lot of them are, it's thick, it's heavy, it's cakey, it's ugly, it's oil, all these kind of stuff, right? Just real negative stuff. And then there was that viral thing where that woman put all of it on her face and she looked horrific. I don't think I've ever been so lied to about a product before. If you use this product correctly and not like a nutcase, it is amazing. And dare I say, one of the best foundations I've used in a long time. Now, yes, the product is thick. It is thick. But don't apply it like a maniac. Apply it properly. Dot it on the face. Blend it in. By the way, this is one of the few foundations that looks epic when you blend it in with your fingers. I recommend finger application here. You can build this up. This is sheer. This is a sheer to light foundation. It is not this full coverage nightmare that you're seeing online. It isn't. The finish is absolutely beautiful. And I mean beautiful. It's dewy. You can powder it down. Do whatever you want. This is one of the best foundations out there. I felt absolutely duped. I'm pissed that it took me so long to get this because I was freaked out by the reviews. Lies, lies, lies. This is really good. If you are mature, if you have dry skin, if you just want a natural looking product, this is it. Hello, Jones Road. Thank you very much. This isn't sponsored. Bye-bye.